Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a minute since I've done an unboxing video, but I'm here today and I'm so excited for today's video because I really wanted to give you guys an early look of the Asics Up There sneakers. So as soon as Up There started posting like the teaser images that they're doing collab, I was so hyped and I already knew that I was going to cop a pair regardless of what the sneakers look like because I just really wanted to support Up There. They are such an amazing store. I think you guys know that I've mentioned Up There a few times in my videos, but they're definitely one of my favorite sneaker stores here in Melbourne, and I have a soft spot for them because I lined up at their store in 2016 for the Yeezy Pirate Blacks. So yeah, anyway, they are a great store, such a good vibe, and the people behind them are incredible. So I'm so happy that they're doing an Asics collaboration, so I had to support. I was planning on going to get a pair tomorrow because they will be releasing it in store. Tomorrow is Friday the 6th of May, and then they're doing an online release on the next day, which is on Saturday, and then there will be a global release to follow. So I'll make sure to leave all the release details down below, but if you guys are in Melbourne, you should definitely hit up their store and pick up a pair. So anyway, let's get into the unboxing because I'm just so excited for these sneakers. Let's start with the box. Look at how pretty the box looks. I love that there is the Asics and Up There branding. I got these in a men's US 6, and before I forget to talk about sizing, they do fit true to size. I've never owned a pair of Asics Gt2, but I've tried them on. They are super comfortable and they fit true to size. You guys can see there is this floral motif on the box because Up There has chosen to use the floral emblems to represent Asics and Up There. So these are Japanese chrysanthemums here, and I just love the color of the box. As I mentioned before, this partnership between Asics and Up There is represented through floral emblems. So for Up There, they have gone with the pink heath, which is the floral emblem of Victoria, and you can see it embroidered here on the heel. You're also able to see a really nice intricate embroidery on the tongue. You can't see it when the sneakers are laced up, but when you undo the laces, you can see this really beautiful embroidery, and I absolutely love this sort of hidden detail. On the left shoe, you can see the Japanese chrysanthemum, which is the official flower of Hyogo Prefecture, which is where Asics is from, and there is also a really nice embroidery under the laces as well, just like on the right shoe, and the embroidery is so pretty, and this is definitely one of my favorite details on this sneaker because it's kind of a hidden detail, but when you undo the laces, it just looks so good. The sneakers do come laced with a set of gray laces when you get them fresh out of the box, but I decided to swap it out with these cream laces because I think it matches perfectly with the midsole, and with my on feet, I am wearing these cream colored pants, so I really wanted to color coordinate everything. They also give you a set of green laces, which I think looks really great, so I might swap them out when I wear them with my olive pants, but for now I'm gonna keep them with these cream laces. Let's move on to the upper of the sneaker. So you guys can see that they've used this really nice buttery suede in 2 tones of gray, and I absolutely love the branding on the toe box. Can you guys see on one side it says Up There? I think that's so cool. Like, I'm so proud that Up There has done a collaboration because it's a Melbourne based store and they're just a really good store, guys. If you guys are ever in Melbourne, you definitely need to check out Up There. But anyway, on the other side of the shoe, you can see there is the Asics branding, and I love how it's sort of tonal, so it's not like super obvious, but it's definitely there, and I really love this embossed detail on the toe box. I also really love this crochet mesh material that they've used, and it is in this stained or dyed kind of color, and there is a mix of pink and sort of a peachy kind of color, which is meant to represent the pink heath flower. And yeah, I think the colorway is just really nice, and because it is sort of dyed or stained. I'm not really sure what process they have used to color the material. I love that it is not like exactly the same on both sides of the shoes, and yeah, it just looks so pretty. And I love all the different textures on the sneaker. I especially love the top stitching that they've used here. You can see that they've gone with a zigzag top stitch, which I think looks really cool. I feel like I'm not using the right words to describe the sneaker, but when I look at them, I can definitely see up there's like DNA or branding on the sneaker, and it's just, they killed it. Okay, they did an amazing job. Anyway, moving on to the insole of the sneaker, you guys can see that is the Up There and Asics co-branding, again with the floral emblem. And the pattern on the insoles is sort of in this pink camo, which is the same as the design of the box. I also really like the touch of green on the sock liner, which matches the set of laces that they give you. So I think that's a really, really nice touch. This is the Gt2 Silhouette, and I've never owned this silhouette. Actually, I don't really own any Asics sneakers besides like the Concepts collab, but I've tried them on feet and they are super, super comfortable. And as I mentioned earlier, they fit true to size, so just go for your regular sizing. The Gt2 Silhouette originally came out in 1986. I do know that there is the gel technology on the heel of the sneaker, and it just feels really good on feet. I almost forgot to mention this, but they also included a pair of socks for this collaboration, which I think is so cute. So you can see there is the Japanese chrysanthemum embroidered here. Here you can see it says Up There, and then on the other side there is the pink heath, and on the other side it says Asics, again tying in with like the floral emblem of the two brands where they're from. Anyway, moving on. With the outsole, you guys can see the colors are the same as the upper of the sneaker, and overall I think it is such a great combination of colors, but I think what really makes it is the textures as well as like the embroidery, and just, okay, I might be a bit biased, but it is a really good shoe, guys, and you definitely should go cop a pair. And yeah, I'm just so grateful that Up There sent me a pair because I was prepared to buy a pair already. So yeah, I'm just so happy, and that is why I really wanted to sit down today to give you guys a quick review, just in case you guys were wondering about this collab. Highly recommend them. I think the details are so great, and the colorway and materials, everything is 10 out of 10. I absolutely love these, and I'm so excited that they are dropping them tomorrow in store. I think they're doing an in-store release at 8 AM Friday, 6th of May, and then I'm just reading their site at the moment, and online the following day from 8 AM Saturday, the 7th of May, and then yeah, it says global release to follow. They're also doing a launch party tomorrow at 6 PM, which is the 6th of May, at their store, and I'm definitely going. So if you guys are in Melbourne, you should definitely check it out as well. I think it's from 6 to 8 PM, so I might stop by and vlog the event a little bit. I'm just so excited for Up There and their collaborations, and I really hope to see more collaborations from them because they are truly one of my favorite stores here in Melbourne. And yeah, like I said, the people behind them are like such good people, so we just have to go support them. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that very brief unboxing. I haven't really planned my fit for tomorrow, but I feel like I might wear the same cream pants that you guys saw on my like very unprofessional b-roll, and then I want to wear like maybe something pink just to like color coordinate with the crochet like upper here. And yeah, I really hope I haven't missed out any details, but yeah, these are a must cop. I really love them. I don't know what the retail price is, but if I do, I'll leave it in the description bar below along with any of the release details and the launch party and all that. But while we're here, I thought I'll quickly do 2 more unboxings because this has been sitting in my apartment for a while now, and I actually have so many other sneakers to show you guys as well, but I really wanted to do the Up There sneakers first. But in here is my Kaws Changbai mountain like little figure. So I pre-ordered this in January and I pretty much forgot about it and I received it maybe a week or 2 ago, so it did take a while, but I'm happy it's finally here. So as you guys can see, like the box is a little bit smaller than like my other Kaws boxes. Actually no, the last one I unboxed was like the family one, so obviously it was this big, but this one seemed a lot smaller. But you guys can see when you open up the box, they give you this little card. So this is obviously part of the Kaws holiday. So previously he has done it in Seoul, Taipei, Hong Kong, Tokyo, outer space, Bristol, and the last one was in Singapore. And this time around it was in China, at Changbai mountain. I'm sure you guys saw all the images. I kind of wish I was there. It looked amazing with like the little sculpture in the snow. It looks so beautiful. But we are here to unbox this little figure. So I copped this from the Gt2 website. I can't remember whether it was really hard to cop. You pretty much had to be on the site the minute it dropped, and then you were able to like cop one of them. A lot of my friends managed to cop actually, which I'm really happy. But anyway, I want to show you guys because I haven't even taken this out because I was waiting to unbox it together with you guys. I had like a little like peek and then I put it back in the box because yeah, I was waiting to show you guys. So let me get him out of the box. How cute is this? Hold on, oh my god. Okay, wait. Okay, so this is what he looks like. How cute is this? Why is he like... Wait, is it my hands? Are my hands really sweaty? What's going on here? Anyway, this is what it looks like. It is a little smaller because they're both sitting down. And I've gone with the brown colorway. So generally, when it comes to Kaws releases, my first choice is the brown, and then grey, and then last is black. I know some people only collect the one colorway, but I kind of just go by what I can get, but my preference is definitely the brown one. So I'm so happy to add him to my little Kaws collection, and they are going to join the rest of the Kaws that are like right in front of me. You guys can see it, but they are just displayed in front of me. So yeah, I'm so happy. They're so cute. Look at this. Let me give you guys a closer look. How cute is this? And also, I was looking at my Kaws the other day, guys, and you notice that on their like hands, they have this little like X. So I was inspired, so I decided to get like little like X's. Oh my god, why is it so awkward? I decided to get little X's on my thumbs because I got my nails did yesterday and I was inspired by the X's on the hands. Not that anybody asked. Okay, so let me set that aside. And then one more thing before I let you guys go is this parcel that just arrived today. And again, I'm very excited for this. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know I post like stuff I try to cop online, and well, most of the time it turns out to be an L, but this time around I was very successful. And this thing that I'm about to show you is definitely in line with stuff that I enjoy buying. So it is from Human Made, and I'm so happy that Human Made now ships to Australia again. So for the longest time, because of like the COVID restrictions, I guess, they did not ship to Australia. So I either had to ship it to Singapore, like to my subscriber's address, or to my brother, or like to my parents, or like somebody, because they don't ship directly to Australia, but now they do. So this is my Human Made parcel. Look at this. As always, they give you this little folder when you place an order, and I have so many of these, but I think they're so cute. But it's always the same like design though. Usually the receipt is in here, but wait, what does it say? So they're pretty much just saying they're not going to include your receipt in like your parcel, which is fine because everything's online anyway. But it's cute that they still gave me this cute little folder. Like, I feel like I need to find a use for all these folders. If you guys want them, just let me know, okay? Next time, maybe when I do a giveaway, I'll just give you a Human Made folder. But in here is... look at this. Oh my gosh, it's actually so much bigger than I thought it would be. So you guys already know that I had to cop this, right? Because it's Kaws and it's like a cute little dog. Isn't he the cutest little thing? Look at this. I'm so happy right now. So This is the first time I'm seeing it. When Kaws posted a photo on his like Instagram, I already knew that I had to cop, and it actually wasn't too hard to get it. Like if you were on the Human Made site at the time of the release, then you would have been able to cop one. And oh my gosh, he is the cutest little thing. So on one side it says Human Made. Look at his cute little feet. And of course, because it's Kaws, you have the X's here on the eyes. And then on the other side it says Kaws Made. Okay, this is too cute, guys. I'm so happy. I think he would look very, very cute on my couch. I think he matches perfectly with like my cushion and this babe. Look at this color coordination, guys. This has made my day. Okay, everything that I have unboxed today has made my day, and I'm just in such a good mood right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this very like brief unboxing, and it's so good to be back doing an unboxing video. I don't know why I haven't posted in so long. I have a food vlog coming up next. I've edited it, but I haven't like really finished it, and I was going to post that first, but then when I got these sneakers I knew that I had to unbox them. And then there are also a ton of other sneakers that I've picked up recently that I haven't shown you guys. So I have like the Concepts MX ones, I have the Union Dunks in all 3 colorways. I just have so many sneakers that I've accumulated and haven't shown you guys, so I'll make sure to get on that. And also the Hello Kitty Prestos are releasing soon, and I hope that I can do an early review. So if I'm able to get my hands on a pair, I would definitely do that because I'm so hyped for that release. Hello Kitty is just so nostalgic to me. So fingers crossed I can get a pair so that I can do a video for you guys. But yeah, anyway guys, I will link everything that I mentioned in the description bar below. And if you are in Melbourne, make sure you check out the launch party tomorrow because I'll be there. So yeah, I'll be there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys really, really soon. Bye! So that is the official release date for Australia. Wait, is it in-store release? I should get the release information correct, but okay, hold on. But it just gives me that very like wholesome, good... What am I talking about, guys? What am I talking about? And I absolutely love the crochet. Who's crochet? And then under the tongue, no, on the tongue, not under the tongue, guys. Okay, what's under the tongue?